Stop what you are doing for the next few minutes. What I am about to share about build your own AI assistant without spending a dole could change the way you think about this topic entirely. To really understand this, we need to zoom out for a moment. The world of build your own AI assistant without spending a dole has evolved dramatically in just the last few years, and most people have not kept up. Number 1, and this is crucial, start with the basics. The biggest mistake people make with build your own AI assistant without spending a dole is jumping ahead before mastering the foundation. The second thing that matters is consistency. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to show up every single day and make small improvements over time. Here is number 3, and this one is a game changer. The compound effect applies to build your own AI assistant without spending a dole just like it applies to everything else. Small daily actions create massive results. Here is the practical framework I recommend. Start by mapping out where you are today. Then define where you want to be in 30 days. The gap between those 2 points becomes your roadmap. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you are starting from absolute zero. No experience, no resources, no connections. Here is exactly what you would do first. Let me share a second example. Think about the difference between someone who plans for 6 months and someone who starts imperfectly today. The imperfect starter wins every single time. Now let me tell you about the biggest mistakes I see people make. Mistake number 1, trying to learn everything before starting. You do not need to know everything. You just need to know enough to take the next step. Now for some advanced tips that will accelerate your progress. Once you have the basics down, focus on building systems that work for you automatically. This is where the real leverage comes from. The mental game is just as important as the technical skills. The people who succeed long-term are the ones who embrace the learning curve instead of running from it. Here is my prediction for the future. In the next 12 to 24 months, build your own AI assistant without spending a dole will become even more accessible and powerful. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Here is your challenge. Take everything you learned today and apply just one concept this week. Then come back and let me know how it went. I read every single comment. Thank you for watching all the way through. That tells me you are serious about this, and I respect that. Subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next video with more insights. If this helped, subscribe for more.